Let us solve this one. In an examination, it is required to get 40% of the aggregate marks to pass, right? A student is getting 261 and he has failed the examination by 4%. So can I say that had the passing mark been 40% of the total, this boy or this student got 36% of marks, is it not? And that is nothing but 261. And what is this question? What is the maximum aggregate marks a student can get? So you need to find out the total marks. What is that? You can do 36 upon 100 into total marks, and that is given to you as 261, and this is 9, and then this was 25. So total marks will be 25 divided by 9 into 260. This one is 9 into 2, 18, and then this is 9. So that is 25 into 29. How do you simplify 25 into 29? 25 into 25, you know, 625. 625, now we are left with 25 into 4, which is 100. कितना आएगा ये आंसर? 725. You don't have any option out here, so what is the right answer? None of these, right?